A group of railway enthusiasts in Gloucestershire has started work to unearth and rebuild the old Berkeley Railway station. It was closed in the 60s after being cut off when a nearby railway bridge burnt down.
Once the team has finished the restoration, they hope passenger trains will run along the line once again.
It's a labour of love, hacking away the soil that's buried Berkeley Station for decades, in the hope passengers will one day alight here again. They want Berkeley to reopen to passengers in 5 years' time, but they need help.